Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. Please note, the lower rack roller assembly is being replaced with a universal assembly. This part has been redesigned and is interchangeable with both the left and the right side. To replace the lower rack roller assembly in your GE dishwasher, roll the lower rack assembly out of the dishwasher and take out the silverware basket. Remove the lower rack assembly. Set the rack on a flat surface. Pop the rear and middle front of the roller cover off the roller carrier tabs and remove the cover. Pull off the roller wheels. Unmount the roller carrier from the basket. To install the new roller assembly, snap the roller supplied by the kit onto the clips of the universal bracket. Slide and snap the assembly onto the rack. Set the rack assembly on the door and place in the silverware basket. Slide the lower rack assembly back into the dishwasher, and your dishwasher should be ready for use.